सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम करेंगे सोशल साइंस क्लास 9 का कुछ सैम्पल नोट्स, जो कि सेकेंड चैप्टर करेंगे, शेपिंग ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। चैप्टर 2, that is shaping of the earth surface. So what is the meaning of earth surface? The earth surface is not flat and it is made up of different landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains and valleys. Okay, these landforms are formed and changed by the natural forces. What is the theory of plate tectonics? Plate tectonics is the theory that Earth's crust is divided into several plates which move slowly. That the Earth's outer layer is broken into tectonic plates. These plates float on molten magma inside the earth. Movement of plates causes earthquakes, volcanoes and mountain formation. What are the types of plate movement? That is convergent, divergent and the transform. Convergent plates collide, divergent the plates move apart, and the transform the plates slide past each other. Okay, plate movement is the main reason for changing in the earth surface. Third is interior of the earth. The earth has three main layers. Okay, crust, mantle and core. In crust it is the outermost layer. It is thin and solid, and here we live, the life exists. And in the mantle it is the middle layer made up of semi molten rocks, and is the core is the innermost layer, and it is very hot and dense and high pressure and contain irons and nickel. Okay, 4 is weathering. What is weathering? Weathering is the breaking down of rocks into simpler pieces. What are the types of weathering? First is physical weathering, chemical weathering and the biological weathering. In physical weathering, it breaking without chemical change. In chemical weathering, change in chemical composition, and in biological weathering, it caused by plants and animals. Okay, weathering helps in soil formation. Then what is erosion? Erosion is the removal and transport of weathered material. Erosion is the removal and transport of weathered material from one place to another. What are the agents of erosion? First is rivers, wind, glaciers, sea waves. Erosion shapes landforms over time. Third is agents of gradation. Gradation means leveling of land through erosion and deposition. Main agents, that is river, wind, glaciers, sea waves and underground water. Rivers forms valleys, plains and deltas. The wind forms sand dunes, that is deserts. Glaciers forms U-shaped valleys, and the sea waves forms beaches and cliffs. And the underground water forms caves and sinkholes. Then landforms. Landforms are natural features of the earth surface. Major landforms, that is mountains, plateaus, plains, they are formed by internal forces and external forces. Internal forces like plate movement, and external forces like erosion and weathering. Then natural disasters. Natural disasters are sudden events that cause damage to life and property. There are some natural disasters. First is earthquakes. It caused by sudden movement of tectonic plates occur along faults. Then landslides, sudden movement of rocks and soil down slopes, commonly in hill areas. Then avalanches, sudden flow of snow in mountain regions. Then glacial lake outburst flood, that is GLOF, sudden release of water from glacial lakes. Then dust storms, that is strong winds carrying dust, common in deserts. Then causes of natural disasters, that is plate movements, heavy rainfall, deforestation, climate change. 10. First is disaster management, prevention and control. It measures yearly warning systems, afforestation, proper construction techniques and awareness among people. It reduces damage and saves life. And in the conclusion, the earth's surface is continuously changing due to internal and external processes like plate tectonics, weathering and erosion shape landforms. while natural disasters highlight the dynamic nature of the earth. Here are the some important questions of this chapter. First is explain the theory of plate tectonics. Theory of plate tectonics is the earth crust is divided into several tectonic plates. These plates float on the semi-molten mantle, and the plates move continuously over time. And their movement causes earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountains. There are three types of movements, that is convergent, divergent, and transform. In conclusion, thus, the plate tectonics explains the continuous changes in the earth's surface. Second is explain layers of the earth. Answer: the three layers of the earth are crust, mantle, and core. The outermost layer where we live, that is crust. The middle layer made of molten rocks, mantle, and the innermost layer very hot and dense, and the last layer, that is the core. The core is mainly made of iron and nickel, and these layers influence geological activities. In conclusion, thus, the earth is made up of three main layers which affect its structure and changes. Second is explains type of weathering. The types of weathering are physical weathering, chemical weathering, and biological weathering. Breaking of rocks without chemicals and change in chemical composition of rocks caused by plants and animals. Weathering occurs at the same place. It helps in soil formation. In conclusion, thus, weathering is an important process that breaks rocks and forms the soil. Fourth, they describe the agents of erosion. The main agents of erosion: rivers that form valleys and plains, wind forms sand dunes and deserts, glaciers form U-shaped valleys, sea waves from beaches and cliffs, underground water forms caves and sinkhole. In conclusion, thus, different agents of erosion shape the earth's surface in various ways. The fifth is explain different types of natural disasters. The different types of natural disasters are earthquakes, landslides, avalanches, gulf, and the dust storms. It caused by movement of tectonic plates, movement of rocks and soil downslopes, sudden flow of snow in mountains, sudden release of water from glacial lakes, strong winds carrying dust. Okay, thus the natural disasters are powerful events that cause damage and occur due to the natural processes of the earth. So thank you everyone for watching the full video. If you want more video like this, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like. And if you want this PDF, comment it down. I will share it in the description. Okay, thank you, bye bye.